Welcome to my video. Today I will show you a program using divide and conquer algorithm. So ito pong program is used for splitting the state of x using divide and conquer algorithm. So sa line 4 po, we use import math to import a math library. So sa line 7 naman po, this function is used to get the user input and print the result. And sa line 8 po, this function is used to ensure that the user input value is within 0 to 100. So, ayun po. Once na yung user po nag-input ng not between 0 to 100, so mag-execute po dito sa line 13. Tapos magpiprint po yung please enter a value number between min value and max value. So once naman po yung user nag-input po ng invalid number or nag-input po ng letter, ito naman po mag-execute sa line 15 sa except value error. So magpiprint po yung invalid input, please enter a valid number. So ayan po. Dito naman po sa line 19 to 23. So dito na po pag run mo po yung program, mag-execute na po yung program, mag-ask na po ng yung program sa user na mag-input po ng data na kailangan po between 0 to 100. So ito naman pong demographics is age of oldest individual in the population. So yung geography naman po, the percentage of land area and water. And sa social economics naman po is the employment rate. And sa behavioral naman po is tribes population percentage. And sa governor naman po is number of potential governor. Tapos dito naman po sa line 27, number of region, dito naman po we use a formula for the computing the region, and ceiling function is used for rounding up the nearest whole number. So once po na-input na po yung user yung complete data, magpiprint na po yung na-compute po no formula or nung program yung total number of region. So, i-try po natin mag-run yung code. So, demographic 100. Geography 75 and 50, 40 and 10. So, number of region is 7. So, try po ulit natin mag-input ng bagong data. 71, 59, 99, and 33, and 18. So, the total number of region is 12. So, try po ulit natin mag-input ng data. So, try po natin 68, 56, and 82, and 62. Tapos, sa governor po is 13. So, the number of regions is 9. And lastly, magano po tayo ulit ng data. Try po natin input ng 93, 56, 29, 60, and 4. Yan po. The number of region is 3. So, try naman po natin mag-input po ng not between 0 to 100. Kung mag-execute po ba dito sa line 13 at mag-print po yung please enter a valid value. Try po natin 101. So ayan po, please enter a value between 0 to 100. So gumana po yun. So itry naman po natin mag-input ng letter kung magpiprint po ba yung invalid input. So ayan po, print po yung invalid input, please enter a valid number. So ayan po, salamat po sa panonood.